Heads up commuters, some transport groups are asking to raise the jeepney fare by 15 pesos from 13 pesos. Passengers have different opinions on this. The Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board, or LTFRB, is considering factors like raising oil prices and inflation. LTFRB Chairperson Teofilo Godis said they will ensure fairness for commuters if the fare increases is approved. The petition will undergo public hearings, and while the Liga ng Transportasyon at Operasyon sa Pilipinas, or LTOP, supports the fare hike, they also suggest ways to lower the charges.
Isabatas na po yung gusto ng Pangulo na ipasa yung batas dun sa Kongreso, yung waste to energy. Dahil yung waste to energy sa apat na basura natin sa Pilipinas, napakalaki po ang makukuha natin na fuel na energy. Noong panahon ng dating Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Sr., mayroon tayong OPSF na Oil Price Stabilization Fund na kinukulikta sa fuel para pagdating ho ng malapit na matapos ang taon, meron tayong idadawn doon sa oil refinery para mababa at supply natin 1 year.